Armor All Interior Car Cleaner in the 16 fluid ounce bottle does an impressive job lifting everyday dust, fingerprints, and light grime from dashboards, consoles, and door panels without harsh scrubbing. The formula leaves a subtle matte finish that looks clean and natural rather than shiny or greasy, which helps the interior feel fresh instead of overtreated. It works reliably on a wide range of interior materials, including plastic, vinyl, fabric, and display screens, so you can simplify your routine with one product for most surfaces. During use, it does not leave a sticky residue, so dust does not cling back to the surface as quickly, and touch points like steering wheels stay more pleasant to handle. The spray pattern and consistency make it easy to control how much product you apply, reducing waste and helping you avoid soaking delicate areas or electronics. For regular upkeep between deep details, this cleaner is convenient to keep in the trunk or garage and provides a quick way to restore that freshly maintained look before drives or trips.